Once you have enrolled in Bill Pay, you will now have access to the Payment Center, where you can store all of your bills and schedule future payments. To add a new merchant or bill you plan to pay, simply start by logging into your home banking at www.fwccu.org. Once you are logged into your home banking, click the Bill Pay link at the top of the page and you should be directed to the Payment Center. Now click the Add a Company or Person button located towards the center of the page. You can begin by entering the company you want to pay in the text box under Search or Network, or search under the different categories available. For this example, I'll be paying my water bill, so I will search for Fort Worth Water. Once the results appear, just click on the correct match. In the first text box, enter the account number exactly as it's seen on your bill. And in the second text box, re-enter the account number to confirm. You can click the nickname link to enter a description of the bill for future reference, but this is optional. In the final text box, enter the zip code of the company you're paying, as seen on your bill. Once you're finished, just click Add. And to confirm that the bill has been added, just click Finish. You will be directed back to the Payment Center, where your new merchant will have now been added. To schedule the payment, under Pay From, choose the account you want the payment to come from. Then enter the amount of the payment you wish to make, and choose an available date from the drop-down calendar. The blue box date is the current date, and the blue numbers are the available dates. Finally, click Send Money to schedule the payment and you are finished. Also, be sure to download our free app on your mobile phone to pay your bills on the go.